Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn Code with Now. In the continuation of our Java 8 feature series, today we will see date and time API as a part of Java 1.8 version. So basically, until 1.7 version, the classes present in Java.util package to handle date and time like date, calendar, time zone, etc. are not up to the mark with respect to convenience and performance. To overcome this problem, in 1.8 version, Oracle people introduced Joda Time API. So this API developed by Joda.org and available in the form of Java.time package. So we do have covered theoretical part. Now let me move to the Eclipse and see what is exactly this is. Let me remove unnecessary code which is not relevant on for this video. So they are saying, let's say I want to display the system date and time using Java 8. Then we would say local date dot now. It will give me the current date of the system. Me print out now, run as Java application. It will give me a today date. Now I want to get the time as well. Then we would need to call local time from java.time dot now. It will give me the time. Now let me print again this one as well and see what we are getting. Instead of now, it should be now. Run as Java. So you can see today's date and time is 3:50 and 32 seconds, and this is nanosecond. So once we get local date object, we can call the following method on that object to retrieve day, month and year separately. Now let's say we have created date object, local date object. Now we can call the following method. Let's say now with object I will call get day of month. Will give me the date. I will say now dot get day of month. It will give me the month. Now I will say now dot get year. It will give me the year. Basically, this is for month. This is for year. Now day. Year. It will give me date. And now dot get month value. Give me. Now we do have date, month, year. Now we can print here. Says out. Let me run this code again. See, so this is an object which is getting the date of current date. And if I want to get the date, then we need to call get day of month. If I want to get the month, then I will call get month of value. And if I want to get the year from the current date, then I would call get year. Then it will give me the year of as well. Now also once we get local time object, we can call the following method. Let's say this is for date. Now I want all the following method for the time, local time object. For now, so basically this is current time and this is current date. This is current time. Now can call current time dot get hours. It will give me the hours. Current time dot get minutes. Some date object and time object get. It will be minute of current. So, so this one. Now I want second. So say current time get seconds. To get seconds. Now I want to get nanosecond as well. That will give me. Now instead of system.out.println, I will use system.out.print. Yes. So basically for person B should be 4 times. Since we are formatting the value of 4, say let me run this program. So this is how we are getting the time from current object by calling these following method. Now if we want to represent both date and time, previously we have seen we are calling local date dot now, then we are getting the current date. Local time dot now, then we are getting the current time. Now I want to do the combine. So if you want to represent both date and time, then we should go for local date time object. Let me remove this code. Now I want date and time together. Local date time dot now. It will give me current date and time. Let me run this. So this is date and this is time. Also, let's say I do not want to get date and time from system current. I want to create an object for specific date and specific time. So I would say local date time dot off, and it will accept few things. One, it will ask me here. I would say that please make an object for 1995 month is April. Then I would say 28 will be the day, and 12:45. Hold this value and print this one. Says let me run this. So it is creating an object for 1990 April 28 12:45. Let's say I want to know what will be the date after 6 months or before 6 months. I would say this. I would say now or plus months and say 6. Also say I want to get date and time before 6 months. I would say minus months 6. So it will give me minus months, and it will give after months minus plus months. After 6 months and before 6 months. It will be before 6 months. Let me run this. So today date is 23rd of June 2023. After 6 months it will be 23 December 2023, and before 6 months it was 12 23 December 2022. Okay. Now we can also deal with period object as well. So period object can be used to represent quantity of time. Let's say I want to know the period between my birth date and today date. So first let me create local date of today. It will say today. This is the today date. Let's say I want to know the period between my birth date and today date. So I will create an object for my birth. In here it will asking for year. I born in 95, month is September, and date is 8. So it will call as birth date. Now we do have two dates. One is current date, other is my birthday date. Okay. Now we will call period, which is from Java.time, between start date. In this case, birthday will be start date, and today will be the end date, and it will give me the period object. Now we can say your age is year, percent d, month, and percent d days, and it should accept between get year, get months, and between or get days. Or instead of print ln, it should be print f, because we are formatting. Now let me format the code, and so now my age is 27 years old, 9 months and 5 days. So this is how you can use period object between two dates and find out the days, months and years in between them. Finally, I just want to bind up this call with the most popular question that can be asked in an interview, that is, write a Java program to check the given year is leap year or not. So maybe you guys are aware what is leap year. Okay, so let's say I want to say int to int year will be 2016. Okay, and let me create an object of into year, and I'm passing year here, and it will give me year. Now I'm getting year object. I just need to say if of which is year object is leap. If it is leap, then I will say system dot out dot print f, and it will say percent p is leap year. So if year object call is leap, it will be a boolean, it will return boolean. If it is leap, then it will say true, otherwise it will say false. Is not leap year. Run this. 2016 is a leap year. If I would check for 2017, then it would say is not a leap year. So now you can see the magic of Java. For achieving this same functionality, we need to write very lengthy code. But to check if a given year is a leap year or not, we would need to just call simple single method is leap. If it is leap year, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So we have covered pretty much about everything date and time API, which is called Joda Time API. Now let me give you a quick summary what we have done so far. We have seen that until 1.7 version, the classes which are present in java.util package to handle date and time, like date, calendar, time zone, etc., are not up to the mark. with respect to convenience and performance. To overcome this problem, Oracle people introduced Joda Time API in 1.8 version. This API developed by Joda organization and available in the form of Java.time API. Then we have seen how do we create an object for date. We need to call local date dot now, then we will get the date. We can extract the date, month, year by calling the respective methods. Once we got everything, we can print them to the console. Now we do have local time dot now, then that will give me the current time in the system. From that object we can get hours, minutes, second and nanosecond as well. So if you want to represent both date and time together, then we should go for local date time object. Then we have seen period object. Period object can be used to represent quantity of time. Let's say today date and my birthday date, and I want to calculate the period between them. Then we have seen how to check whether given year is leap year or not. I hope you like this one. If you like this one, please do subscribe, like my videos, comment your queries in case if you have any, and share this channel with your friends. And keep watching. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.